For today's reading mini lesson, we're going to practice reading the words we know quickly. To help with this, I have a text here called Wiggles. And we're going to turn to this page where we see lots of words, but I see the sight word my. I wonder how many times I can see the word my in this text. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see the word my 4 times. That helps me as I'm reading because I can read that word quickly. And this says, my hands can clap. My hands can clap. My feet can tap. My eyes can clearly see. We're going to continue to practice looking at words we already know and reading them as quickly as we can.